Hello, I'm Marek Skotak and I'm a CAD/CAM engineer with the main focus on Fusion 360 and his feature. And in this video, which is after a long time new on this YouTube channel, I will show you my new version of Xilog Maestro postprocessors for Fusion 360. This postprocessor generate XCS files which convert the operation which are generated by Fusion to the Xilog Maestro as a native operation with all features which are possible in the Xilog Maestro. And also many people ask me why I should use the external cam and not only Maestro, which is inside the machine. So simple answer is more flexibility and also more powerful tool in the Fusion 360 than if you creating operation on the machine panel or office version of the Maestro. Also, you can draw so many sophistic shapes and 3D model. So that's a simple answer. So let's go and I will show you how it works with the Fusion. There we can start with this simple model on which I can show you all operations which are necessary for using this postprocessor. So let's go. There we have a setup, but we will delete it. Also this one we can delete it. And we will start with a new setup. So new setups and set the 0 point. It can be in this point for our use with the output to the Maestro. Now we can use some 2D pocket operation, for example, and we will select this one and select this pocket, and voila, we have a new operation. Second can be 2D contour, which will be this, and we can set multiple depths, which will be 10 millimeters, and we will have more steps in the Z-axis. We forgot one thing, it's a phase machining, because I have a tool there for this, which is this, and it's okay, and it will be minus 0.5, for example, and this we will put as on the top. I will only edit this tool because in my Maestro it's a E002. Okay, it's recalculated, and as the last operation will be saw cutting. So we will use this tool for it. First we set tool orientation. Yeah, we set correctly, and set the line which we will set for our cutting. So edit, open, and we will reverse it. We can also set the extension. This is newest menu in the Fusion, so it will be 100. Okay, and we have this operation as well. As last steps will be this 5-axis operation. For this is of course necessary the machining extension in the Fusion. So we will use the flow function, and again we will set this tool and select these faces. This, and this. 0.1 and step over 7 millimeters. Okay, can be. We will set it but another direction, so it will be along V. Yeah, it looks better. And as the last steps will be drilling these holes. So we will set the drilling operation and set this drill, and by select same diameter we will select all holes which have same diameter, so okay. And we have almost all, only what I missed is this pocket. So pocket, okay, this can be the same tool. Again, tool orientation, which must be set on this face, and select this. Yeah, now it's correct. I will make also the operation ordering, because it will be better this way and this way, and maybe this one there. Okay, so we have it. We can simulate it in the simulation there. So with the stock, it's face machining, contour, pocket, 5-axis. Yeah, we have it. Only we will check if the flow is set as a 5-axis operation. I think that I forgot on this, so by multi-axis we will set the 5-axis and lead and lean. Yeah, now we can set that correctly. So if we simulate only this operation by some slower feet, oh, this, yeah, looks good. Now we can go to the post process and output the file as a XCS file. We can also check that if we set this operation name like a face operation, it will be outline, circle, pocket, it's a 5-axis, side, pocket, sewing, and drilling. And our setup will be, we can rename it as SCM XCS file. Save it, and now we can go to the post process and check the file if it's correct in the Maestro. So go to the post process, select the Maestro 5-axis postprocessor. We can also set the values which are there, like a field, rapid feed, and vacuum clamps, and other section. There is also option for output feed speed from cam, so there you can decide which setting you want, if your feed and speed will be from the machine, from the Xilog, or it will be from the Fusion. So we can let it as from the Fusion. So test XCS file, and we will post it. Yep, it posted correctly. And we can switch to the Xilog Maestro. So I have it on another screen, so which is this, and there we set the home, import script, and test XCS file. If we open it, yep, we have a file, and there we can set that we have a all operations are there also with this, so we can save it like this and simulate it in the Maestro as well. So this phase operation, There is outline and pocket. Yeah, there we have our flow function, which is 5-axis, not exactly, it's a 4-axis. The side pocket, our socketing, and as last should be drilling operation, if I remember. Yeah. There I have a incorrect tool, but okay. So this is the settings for output to the XCS file. Also, I develop it. I'm still develop this postprocessor. So every few months I have a new version. So if you will want it, or do you have any question about this, just write me email or WhatsApp, and I will answer all of your questions. So have a nice rest of the day, and bye.